Hi, it's a beautiful autumn day here. I'm just about to go off and play with grandchildren and then probably go and swim in the river, making the most of the sunshine and the warm weather. I realise I'm really not much of a cold swimmer in the open air, much as I love it. Um, and thinking about the grandchildren just reminded me I'm actually running a workshop next weekend on rebirthing yourself and possibly about rebirthing your children too. It's something I do with all my clients. It's something I've done with myself. It's something I've done surrogately for my kids. And I just think it's something that makes a huge difference because your subconscious is looking out there at the world to see what it should be thinking about. It checks back in. How should it be viewing that? And if your first experience in this life is birth being a struggle, therefore life is a struggle, if you've picked up stuff from your parents, if you've picked up stuff from your mother in the womb, if stuff's come down through the family line, it gives you a not very well resourced space for your subconscious to be checking back on. So part of what I do is help you to create a new resourced place for your subconscious to do the work with. And as I say, that's next weekend. If you've missed that, there are DVDs and, not DVDs, videos on the website, and also a masterclass on it. So there are ways of accessing that, or of course working with me to help you do that. But I thought I would just do a little round here on, even though I picked up stuff so early on. I'm not doing the whole protocol here, but we can do a starting point, which will get your subconscious tuned in, I think. So even though I'm still carrying so much stuff from the beginning of my life, and a lot of that stuff's not even mine, and I've been dutifully carrying it right up until now. I love and accept myself and everyone else involved, even though a lot of the stuff that's getting in my way right now is based on decisions I made with absolutely no information, because I was a baby in the womb trying to make sense of the world. I love and accept myself and that little baby, and I'm letting every part of me know that it's finally okay to let go of all of that stuff that no longer matches who I am now. Even though I've carried this stuff right up until now, I thank those who helped me create it, and I release it on behalf of all of us. And even though Jacqui's forgot to leave a gap in between what she says, I choose to know my subconscious is picking it up as we go. And I love and accept myself, all those young parts of me, and everyone else that was involved. And I'm setting myself free now to be a fully resourced me in this time and this place. And I love and accept all parts of me. I love and accept all parts of me. All those young ones, the people that were involved, setting myself free to do things differently, easily, safely, comfortably and completely, because that's what I deserve. So if you watch this before the 2nd of October 2021 and you'd like to join me for the workshop, it's a 3-hour Zoom workshop. I'd love to see you there. We get to do some really deep cleaning and clearing and some putting in new resources so that your subconscious has got something juicy to work with. And if you've missed that, then don't worry, there's plenty of stuff on the website that you can use. and I look forward to seeing you one way or another. Have a lovely autumn or spring if you're in the southern hemisphere. Bye.